guys, currently, at the time I'm making this video, we are 4 million honey away from getting that honey mask. So today I thought I'd finish it up on video and finish the whole thing. Let's get going, boys. So first things first, we need to collect 3 million honey, or pollen, from the inventory. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're at 2 million. Gotta get 3 million into our backpack, and then we can go and sell and buy the mask that I've been working for like a month now. No joke. No, guys, we're ready. We're freaking ready. All we have to do is come down here, and if my instant conversion's ready, which it is, boom, 100 million honey. That means we can go claim our gummy mask. Not a gummy mask. What? That's 5 billion honey. Okay. Let's go right in this shop right here. Finally, dude, that took so long. But let's open it. Boom. There it is. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Shazam. Bam, I look so good in it, dude. It matches part of my backpack, too. Oh, it's like leaving a trail of coins, dude. Yo, this is so good. I don't really know what it does, but coin scatter is passive. Okay. Okay, guys, my phone died from the last part. But yes, I got the honey mask. It's lit. Let me show you it. So this mask gives us 30 defense instead of 25. So let's see if we can get a lucky run in the ant challenge. And actually get lucky and finally get diamond ant. I died with 96 ants. I got mad, guys. All I'm going to say is I got mad. I didn't scream or anything, but in my head I was very mad. So guys, let's go. So guys, I noticed that I went away and I was in the ant challenge. So guys, that's going to end today's video. I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.